Why should you have a smaller down payment when buying a home? If we look at the numbers for your ROI or return on investment, then it might appear that it's better to actually have a smaller down payment. If we're looking at income that we're generating from a home in terms of cash flow, if we're going to cash flow maybe $200-$300 a month, or if we're also combining that with the equity position that you're going to take, and you put down a smaller down payment, say for example, you wanted to put down 30% on a home, on a $400,000 home, 30% is $120,000, as opposed to if you put down only 20% on a $400,000 home, which is $80,000, so $40,000 less. Then that income that you're generating, the equity that you're gaining is based on your investment, your initial cash investment of $80,000 instead of $120,000. So if the value went up and you had some cash flow, and say for example a 5% increase on the value of a home at $400,000 is $20,000. So $20,000 increase on equity compared to your $80,000 cash investment is a 25% gain, as opposed to putting down $120,000, then that ROI starts to shrink. So it might make more sense to put less money down. If you got questions, call me.